First at 5, tracking multiple COVID-19 headlines across the state. The state health department reporting over 1,200 new cases today alone. That pushes Oklahoma past 82,000 overall cases. And today, there's concern about the growing number of quarantines in Oklahoma schools. Thanks for joining us on this Friday. It's good to see you at 5. I'm Neely Jones.
And I'm Erin Christie. We are about a month into schools getting back to in-person learning. And as the virus shows no signs of slowing down, one health expert is concerned about the rising number of outbreaks in Tulsa in school districts.
NewsChannel 8's Maureen Wurtz explains why he's calling for a statewide quarantine policy.
There's a specific direction Oklahoma is going when it comes to COVID. And Dr. George Monk says it's not the way we should be.
It seems like every metric is heading in the wrong direction, so we're very concerned.
Monks is the president of the Oklahoma State Medical Association and says schools are one of the major sources of Oklahoma's COVID cases. Even though kids rarely show any symptoms, they can spread the virus easily.
I think there's a real opportunity for schools to all get on the same page to protect our children and our teachers.
State education officials conducted an informal poll throughout Oklahoma school districts and found 78% of them had some type of mask requirement, but
I just saw a survey that said that 22% of schools didn't have a face mask requirement, which I found surprising and disappointed by.
It's not just mask policies that are different across school districts, but quarantine procedures too. And Monk says a negative test early on in quarantine doesn't mean you're in the clear.
Basically, you don't immediately get the infection once you're exposed. It takes some time for your body to develop a response to this infection. And many times these rapid tests do have a large percentage of false negatives.
He says he'd like a statewide quarantine policy. But if school districts are confused, just look to the CDC. Because things need to start changing soon.
Every metric is heading in the wrong direction. We're getting more and more new cases. The hospital systems are under strain, and we've just entered flu season.
Reporting in Tulsa, Maureen Wurtz, News Channel 8.